Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT Makeup Test 2025-2026 Part 2nd. Dear students, if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Dear students, KMU-CAT Makeup Test undated 28 December 2025 on Sunday 10th am. So best wishes and best luck. Proteins are made up of amino acids linked together by specific bonds called option A peptide bonds, B nitrogen bonds, C hydrogen bonds, and option D hydrogen and nitrogen bonds. So the correct option is A peptide bonds. Explanation is amino acid joins via peptide bonds during protein synthesis. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. So this is very important MCQs. What are the repeating units of nucleic acids? Option A phosphate molecule, option B nucleotides, C bases, and option D sugar molecules. So the correct option is B nucleotides. Nucleic acid means DNA and RNA are polymers made of repeating nucleotide units. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Chromosomes measurements are generally taken during option A interphase, B prophase, option C anaphase, and option D none of these. So the correct option is B prophase. Chromosomes become condensed and visible during prophase, making measurement possible. The most common form of severely affected people who are having more than 1000 repeats of CTG triplet are called option A myotonic dystrophy, B fragile X syndrome, option C retinoblastoma, and option D none of the above. So the correct option is A myotonic dystrophy. Explanation is expansion of CTG repeats causes myotonic dystrophy. Cancer cells are option A unlimited number of cell divisions, B growth without external signals, option C avoidance of cell death, and option D all of the above. So the correct option is D all of the above. Cancer cells divide uncontrollably, growth without signals, and avoid apoptosis. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. A gene is a section of DNA that codes for a protein. This unique sequence of bases will code for the production of a unique protein is option A exon, B intron, C regulatory sequence, and option D none of these. So the correct option is A exon. Exons are coding regions translated into proteins. The enzyme which builds mRNA strand complementary to the DNA transcription unit is called? Option A, DNA polymerase, B, RNA polymerase, C, helicase, and option D, DNA ligase. So the correct option is B, RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase synthesizes mRNA during transcription. The changes in the nucleotide sequence of DNA which are not passed to offspring occur in option A, eggs and sperm cells, B, non-sexual cells, C, diploid and haploid cells, and option D, all of the above. So the correct option is B, non-sexual cells. Somatic mutations are not inherited. Those mutations that occur by environmental damage or mistakes during DNA replications are option A, acquired mutations, B, inherited mutations, C, both A and B, and option D, none of them. So the correct option is A, acquired mutations. These mutations occur after conception. Dear students, if you like my video, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। The proto-oncogene in normal cells is option A, code for proteins involved in the stimulus of cell division, B, suppression progression through the cell cycle in response to DNA damage, C, initiates apoptosis, and option D, none of the above. So the correct option is A, code for proteins involved in the stimulus of cell division. The proto-oncogenes regulate normal cell growth. Thank you for watching my videos.